This is an overview of a case involving a hand injury at a paper towel manufacturing plant in Oklahoma in 2014. The plaintiff injured her hand while performing maintenance on the paper rolling machine. The paper had jammed the machine, and she was attempting to clear the machine as the rollers turned slowly. There were audible alarms sounding as the rollers moved slowly. Diagrams show the position of the rollers and how the person reached into the machine. At an inspection, employees were photographed at the site of the incident. It was concluded that with the frequency of paper jams on the machine, the method of clearing paper jams was unreasonably dangerous.